Kaita means, Kai means of the sky, Ta means sounds. So we translate in English with harmony in the space. Is the name that Rinpoche decided to give to all activities of Dzogchen community regarding movement and sound. Harmony is connected, with sound and movement, and space because it's pervading. It's like all-pervading activity. And the symbol of this, Rinpoche decided to have the infinite node, one of the 8 auspicious symbols for Buddhists, on the globe, because it represented this. Now, the infinite node represented the energy that moves without stopping on the world. So it's like application in our life. When we dance, we work with all our 3 aspects of existence. We have body, the energy, and the mind. And so, first of all, we relax this aspect. Really, we relax our body, of course, because we move, and the energy, our movement become more harmonious, and the mind become also more peaceful, more happy. And I think that when we have this aspect of relaxation, on the 3 aspects, then we can easily integrate in our daily life. It will be easier to face all difficult situations in the life. So in this way, I think we can integrate. And in general, I see people who are dancing, they become really more joyful, more relaxed. So this is a great achievement, I think. When you do experience of what means dancing, it really will change, because when you make the experience, then you understand that it's not only do one movement, but it's really doing with presence and release of the tension, release of the judgment, because we are not really judging who is dancing better or not, but release. Also overcome our limitations. Sometimes we think we cannot do, we are not able, but then it doesn't exist.